नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं अनिरुद्ध। आप सभी का द सिविल गुरुजी और स्वैग से स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल में। और इंटरव्यू सीरीज के हमारे अगले जो मेहमान है वो बहुत ही खास एक मेहमान है, मेरे स्टूडेंट, जिसका नाम है, जो जिनको बहुत सारे लोग आप पहचानते भी हो, लेकिन शायद उनको आप पहली बार देख रहे हो, जो कि है देवी सिंह। कुछ लोग तो अपने मन में कुछ अलग से चित्र बना लिए होंगे आपके नाम देख के, देवी देवी जी। तो आपके ये नाम
सर,
मतलब कि मतलब ऐसी देवी सिंह ही है या फिर कुछ और इसके आगे पीछे है?
नाम है देवी सिंह
हाँ।
और आगे पीछे जोड़ेंगे तो देवी सिंह शेखावत।
अच्छा, मतलब नहीं, देवी के आगे देवी प्रसाद, देवी कुमार ऐसे कुछ नहीं है ना?
कुछ नहीं।
अच्छा। तो समझ रहे हो, तो बहुत ज्यादा इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है कभी कभी कुछ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को। अम,
अभी से नहीं होगा।
हाँ, वो कुछ और ही मन में बना रहे होंगे कि यार। और क्योंकि जो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म से, जो बायजूस एग्जाम प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहां पे क्या होता है कि वहां पे तो लोगों का फोटो नहीं दिखता है, जो लोग फोटो नहीं लगाते। तो फिर कुछ लोग के मन में कुछ ख्याल आ जाते हैं अलग अलग
यस
लेवल
सर।
के। चलो खैर, वो बात अलग है, लेकिन ही इज रियली रियली द पाइल मैन फॉर सिविल इंजीनियर्स, आई वुड से। ये आप कब से मतलब आप कहाँ पे हो और आप कब से वहां पे हो एक्चुअली? मैं उसके बाद बाकी लोगों को इंट्रोडक्शन बताऊंगा आपके। हाँ।
सर, I was studying in some college in Jaipur,
हाँ।
one college in Jaipur, and then we got one pool campus from
हम्म। हम्म।
private company.
हम्म।
In that company, I placed,
हम्म।
and after 8 months, they given me posting in Saudi Arabia.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। नहीं, वो कौन, मतलब
And
आप कितने साल से वहां पे काम कर रहे हो? हाउ मेनी इयर्स
in
एक्चुअली?
Saudi, I did almost 4 years.
4 years?
Completely piling and civil works related to power transmission line, high voltage power transmission line, or
ग्रेट
we can
ग्रेट
say
ग्रेट।
extra high voltage. It's
क्या बात है।
400 kV lines.
अरे बाप। अच्छा। तो आप
So,
मुझे ये बताइए दैट हाउ मेनी पाइल्स एटलीस्ट इन दिस 4 years। मतलब मुझे तो खैर पता है, मैं अपने सारे व्यूअर्स को एक बार बताना चाहता हूँ। या।
one second, sir, for being exact, sir.
हम्म।
60 and,
तो एज फार एज आई नो, इट्स मोर देन 2000
yeah,
आई
it's
गेस।
more, it's exactly 2164
टू
right now.
वन सिक्स फोर ओ माई गॉड! तो
Yes,
4 साल में समझ रहे हो,
and
4 साल में लोग बीटेक
maybe
करते हैं और ये इंसान 4 साल में दो
in
हजार एक
next
सौ
year
चौसठ
more.
पाइल कास्टिंग के।
Yeah,
ग्रेट।
in this year, maybe 400 more I will do
400 more
before get
piles
exam.
before
Before get
gate
exam.
examination.
Yes,
And
sir.
so
It's
right
on the
now
way.
you are speaking from Gulf, matlab from
Yes, sir.
Saudi
Yes,
Arabia actually
no,
you are talking about?
no. Actually, right now I'm in Dubai, sir.
इन दुबई
Yes, sir.
दुबई से सर कॉल है। तो आप सभी के लिए ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। आप लोगों को भी शायद बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा ये देखते हुए दैट अ पर्सन। बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं ना, सिविल इंजीनियर क्या करेंगे, सिविल इंजीनियर क्या करेंगे, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे ना बोलते हैं। कुछ कुछ लोग होते हैं जो सिविल
Yes,
इंजीनियरिंग को
sir.
बहुत छोटा मानते हैं, समथिंग लाइक दैट। व्हाट वुड बी योर
Exactly.
रिप्लाई टू देम एक्चुअली?
Civil engineering for me, it's only I'm doing maybe minor part, micro
या
part I'm doing.
या
For civil engineers, it vast, what vast it's
या
we cannot calculate that how much we can go in deep and how much we can go up. You understood, sir?
यस सर।
We are going right now in you see Burj Khalifa. It's how
हाँ।
much up, and somebody is in Jeddah is trying to make more big. So we can't say that it will be stop here only.
अब तो हम कुछ नहीं बता सकते उस बारे में जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
It's a full of scopes.
फुल ऑफ स्कोप्स
Every
डेफिनेटली।
every day scope is increasing for civil engineers. So no need to worry about that one. And for me, it's just a part of civil works only. We
हाँ
are
जी।
not only doing piling here at site,
हम्म।
we are doing access roads for accessing our locations. We
हाँ।
have to do before piling. We have to make proper platforms so
हम्म।
heavy machineries can withstand. Then we will do some other works like tower erection and assembly and everything.
एक्सेलेंट
So
एक्सेलेंट।
means piling is 40% job and 60% other civil works
तो समझ
there
रहे हो आप,
also.
अपने 40% जॉब में he has got 2164 piles and fingers crossed that he will continue to do
Yes,
so in future years. But दो तीन चीजें मैं पूछूंगा आपसे.
yes,
फर्स्ट ऑफ
sir.
ऑल इज कि आप वहां पे हो, एक्चुअली वहां पे आप कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हो इतने दिन से सऊदी अरबिया में, 4 साल 5 साल हो गए सर गल्फ कंट्रीज में आपको. तो और आप बचपन में से इंडिया में रह चुके हैं, इंडिया में पढ़ाई कर चुके हैं, तो डिफरेंस क्या समझ रहे हो फ्रॉम हियर, फ्रॉम द कंस्ट्रक्शन हियर एंड फ्रॉम द कंस्ट्रक्शन देयर?
Difference is basically, sir, is this one only for developing countries. We are not going to take too much concentration on quality and all these things. We are giving concentration on quality, but not too much. But here, what happens? You see, my one tower is here, and one tower is 400 meters away. For India, it's not like that. It for two towers will be same span, but we will do soil investigation in soil exploration. Means detailed study we will do at 2 kilometers like that, 3 kilometers like that.
Yeah.
Which is not a case.
Yeah.
In Gulf, we are even for some locations we have to do the soil exploration for each and every tower leg. Yeah, every tower we are doing, but for tower legs also, because the soil strata we can't predict. It has some properties in 1 meter, and another 1 meter will be completely different.
Completely different.
So in India, what we are doing generally means 1 kilometer soil will be like that only. But here it's not that.
तो मतलब बहुत difference है. Difference is mainly in the quality control part you are saying.
Yes, quality and in design we are in India we are concentrate only a small part. That means okay, this is Rajasthan and completely desert. Go ahead with this design. But for here it's not like that. We have to be specific at specific location. Even with coordinates we are doing coordinates, elevation, everything we have to mention. And I shared you some photos, sir. In this and on these photos you will see the location number and coordinate of the particular point where we did. If in future if there is any cross check, they will find what I reported. I will definitely show the viewers these photos over here, that you have sent me. अच्छा, so ये था एक सवाल और. And going to my next question over here, that after so many years over there, right? Suddenly, why are you interested in GATE examination? क्यों आप interested हो? Actually, sir, it's little bit tricky question, but for me, GATE is passion. I want to crack it and then do some MTech, and after that, I planning to do PhD also. So it's my dream. Hopefully, it will complete.
Excellent. Yeah. So that's I just happened to meet him in one of my classes. So and here I was taking actually geotechnical engineering classes, soil mechanics class le raha tha actually, and here I meet him actually, and in the live chat section he was replying, I think कुछ तो वो कि pile के बारे में उनका क्या knowledge and something like that. And then I found that okay, this guy is really interesting, and not only interesting, he is very much experienced. And even after doing so many things, he has sent me this mail. Even after doing so many things, he's seeking GATE examination preparation. That suddenly ये क्यों कर रहे हैं ये लोग, मतलब इतने कुछ करने के बाद वो GATE exam की तरफ क्यों आ रहे हैं? तो right now I came to know about this particular thing, that yes, his dream is actually for the higher studies that he wanted to pursue. Yes, but वो BTech के टाइम में किसी कारण से नहीं हुआ था, so he had to go for job. Right? Yes, sir. Devi. Yes, sir. तो वो जॉब जो आपको मिला था वो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में मिल गया था या फिर
full campus था sir? Actually 6-7 colleges were there, and I was the one or 6 people they took from civil engineering. अच्छा. I was one.
क्या बात है. तो मतलब पढ़ाई में तो आप अच्छे रह चुके हैं इसका मतलब.
Yes sir.
वाह, बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो that is one of the factors I wanted to talk about. And last but not the least, 2 things I would ask कि पाइल्स तो सर बहुत सारे तरीके के होते हैं, तो बहुत सारे नया टेक्नोलॉजीज का भी इस्तेमाल होता होगा वहां पे सर, जो जिस तरीके का पाइल्स यहाँ पे नहीं बनता होगा इन इंडिया. They might have been doing those things actually. आप लोग
Yes, sir.
वो भी देखे होंगे। तो अपना एक्सपीरियंस वहां के कुछ काम का अगर आप बताएंगे अपने व्यूअर्स को।
Actually, sir, piles I did two types mainly.
हम्म
One is direct piles, which you are
हम्म
giving us lecture that vertical
हाँ
pile.
हाँ हाँ।
But we are doing one more step, inclined piles, because
अच्छा
this tower transmission towers are inclined in nature. They have sloping, so we want to minimize this moment,
अच्छा,
turning moment.
गॉट इट।
And if we will cast pile in a vertical
वर्टिकल
configuration,
डायरेक्शन, हाँ।
then their government will be more, and we have to provide almost a 33% extra steel.
तो कॉस्ट सेविंग के लिए भी एंड
Yes,
फॉर द
but
सेफ्टी।
if we will provide same configuration with raker pile or inclined pile, we will save not only this little bit depth of the pile will increase, maybe for 10 meters it's 25 centi, so which is negligible for it. But 30% saving the
Yeah, in
steel is
steel.
very, yeah, it's very costly. Not only costly, it's for environment also good that
Yeah,
we are
obviously.
providing this one.
It's
So
significant, no doubt about that.
yes,
Significant.
significant. And our obviously our loads will distribute evenly in raker pile rather than in vertical piles. In India, I think we are doing only vertical piles. Maybe some specific projects like NHI or they are doing nowadays or not. But PGCIL till now doing this vertical piles only.
So,
So this is the main difference.
any special experience that you want to share? जो काम करते करते हुआ है, मतलब कोई experience ऐसा?
Sometimes what happens in a actual site, I think office people and design people are aware or not, I don't know. But once we are casting piles, we have in sandy soils, it will collapse. So we will use one liner, or we can say temporary casing, which will be steel obviously.
Yeah.
So once we are taking it out, either it will come, it's 99, 90 and 10%, or it will stuck. If it will stuck, so we have to try it within this initial setting time of concrete, and we will take it out. Till now, it's not happened that I couldn't take it out. I took it out. And but one more thing is that sometimes what happens, I am taking this casing out. At that time, still also coming with it. Reinforcement is still also coming with it. So if it's in tolerance limit, we will go ahead. If not, we have to overlap and increase this much depth, increase the tower height, and all these things happens.
मतलब बहुत सारे एक्स्ट्रा और चीजें आ जाएंगे वहां पे, lot of extra things will be there.
We will try to minimize anyhow, not in means ethical way. Unethical way we will not do, but ethical way we will try it. Yes, sir.
Obviously, that's nice. That's nice.
Everybody will be in confidence. That's why that's only way that we can give our client 110% quality, not 100 only. So
excellent.
Our actual job is to satisfy client. 100% satisfaction is our 200% job. We will get another project, otherwise
you will miss out that. Okay, I completely got it. Okay, so ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करेंगे इंटरव्यू को, छोटा छोटा इंटरव्यू होते हैं हमारे. And thank you for being here for so long. Okay, and any message that you want to give to the viewers or the next G civil engineers who are trying to be on the field, maybe in 1 year or 2 year, उनके लिए कोई message, या फिर all the civil engineering students, उनके लिए कोई message?
First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all.
Ganesh Chaturthi, happy, yes, obviously.
And thank you also, sir, giving me this much huge platform to interact with my peoples, obviously. And for the persons or guys or friends, my message only that follow your passion first. If you have no constraints in your way, try to follow your passion. Otherwise, you will be like me that after 6 years or 7 years, you are trying, you want to go again back. In 2013, there was a competition much lesser than today. So
obviously,
follow your passion first if you can. Otherwise, follow your in Indian community, what we are doing, we are following passion of our parents. They dream something, they given you everything they have, and they are trying that whatever I have, I given him, and he should go
He should do
ahead, but
accordingly. Yeah.
accordingly. So if not possible, parents are always first priority. Then your dreams and everything will be there. So it's
Very
my
good. Very good. Very sweet of you. Yeah. Hmm.
try whatever you want to do in your and for site it's not too hard that you cannot get any job after leaving college in 2 years or 3 years. You will get definitely jobs everywhere. There is a lot of requirements, but if you can, you study first.
Yes. तो हाँ, स्टडी का आपका आपने बताया अभी that you have that
Yes,
dream actually within you. So hope that definitely fingers crossed. Hope you fulfill your dream of cracking GATE and getting into a good NIT or IIT, and from there you can pursue your higher studies, MTech, and after that PhD, and you can also go abroad once again, but this time for a different purpose. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So thank you for your time. And definitely, I would like to see all my viewers just give a like to this particular video and drop a heart sign for Devi. Definitely. मेरे लिए अगर नहीं भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन इनके लिए जरूर करना एक बार. तो
Okay,
thank you for being here,
thank you, sir.
Devi. Goodbye.
Okay,
Goodbye.
bye.